So this data is from a public open API called randomuser.me, random user generator. It's a free open source API for generating random user data. So you can use this inside one of your different apps if you want to muck around with some random user data and display it. And there's a lot more information in here also, data, than what we're just using. It's going to return a results array containing all these different users with all their information. Here we have first name, last name, email, and then we have a picture here. That's what we are using in this example. But as you can see, there's a lot more information you can muck around with. So if you want to use that, feel free to do that.